Imagine feeling like you're watching yourself in a movie, detached from your body and the world around you. Your surroundings seem unreal, distant, and unfamiliar. This unsettling sensation, known as Depersonalization Derealization disorder, affects millions worldwide. It's a condition characterized by persistent or recurring episodes of depersonalization, feeling detached from oneself, and/or derealization, feeling detached from one's surroundings. DPD can be incredibly isolating, leaving individuals feeling like strangers in their own lives. DPD is more common than you might think. Studies suggest that approximately 1% of the general population experiences this disorder. However, the rates are even higher in certain settings, reaching 5 to 20% in outpatient populations. This suggests that many individuals with DPD may not seek help or receive a proper diagnosis. This highlights the urgent need for greater awareness and understanding of this often misunderstood condition. The impact of DPD extends far beyond these disconcerting sensations. It can significantly impair daily functioning, affecting relationships, work, and overall quality of life. Individuals with DPD often struggle to connect with others, experiencing emotional numbness and a sense of isolation. They may also have difficulty concentrating, remembering things, and performing everyday tasks. This underscores the importance of recognizing DPD not just as a collection of strange experiences, but as a serious condition that requires attention and care. Despite its prevalence and impact, DPD often goes undiagnosed or misdiagnosed. This is partly due to the subjective nature of its symptoms and the lack of awareness among healthcare professionals. It's crucial to break down the stigma surrounding mental health and encourage open conversations about these experiences. Early identification and intervention are essential for helping individuals with DPD regain a sense of normalcy and improve their overall well-being. DPD manifests in a variety of ways, often leaving individuals feeling like they're living in a dream or watching their lives unfold from a distance. Common symptoms include feelings of detachment or estrangement from one's body, thoughts, emotions, or sensations. Imagine feeling like your limbs are not your own, or like you're observing your thoughts and feelings from afar. This sense of disembodiment can be deeply unsettling. Individuals with DPD often describe their surroundings as feeling unreal, distorted, or unfamiliar. The world may appear flat, two-dimensional, or lacking in color and vibrancy. Sounds may seem muffled or distant, and time may feel distorted, passing too slowly or too quickly. These experiences of derealization can make everyday life feel disorienting and surreal. Beyond these perceptual disturbances, DPD can also significantly impact emotional experiences. Many individuals with DPD report feeling emotionally numb or detached from their feelings. They may describe an inability to experience joy, sadness, anger, or any other emotion with the same intensity as before. This emotional blunting can make it difficult to connect with others and engage in meaningful relationships. The symptoms of DPD can be highly distressing and interfere with daily functioning. Individuals may avoid social situations, struggle to maintain relationships, or experience difficulties at work or school. The chronic nature of DPD can also lead to feelings of hopelessness, anxiety, and depression. It's crucial to remember that DPD is treatable and that help is available. Scientists are beginning to unravel the complex brain mechanisms underlying DPD, shedding light on this enigmatic disorder. Research suggests that DPD may be linked to alterations in brain regions involved in emotional processing, sensory integration, and self-awareness. These areas work together in a delicate balance, and disruptions in their activity may contribute to the characteristic symptoms of DPD. One prominent theory proposes that DPD involves a disconnect between the brain's emotional and sensory processing centers. This disconnect may prevent emotional experiences from being fully integrated with sensory information, leading to feelings of detachment and unreality. Imagine feeling a racing heart, but not experiencing the accompanying fear or anxiety. This dissociation between physical sensations and emotional experiences is a hallmark of DPD. Neuroimaging studies have revealed structural and functional differences in the brains of individuals with DPD compared to healthy controls. For instance, some studies have found alterations in the volume and activity of the insula, a brain region involved in bodily awareness and emotional experience. Others have reported differences in the amygdala, which plays a crucial role in fear and emotional processing. These findings provide further evidence for the biological underpinnings of DPD. While the exact neurological mechanisms of DPD are still being investigated, these findings highlight the importance of understanding this disorder from a biological perspective. By unraveling the complex interplay of brain regions and neurochemicals involved in DPD, researchers hope to develop more targeted and effective treatments for this often debilitating condition. Navigating the path to recovery from DPD often requires a multifaceted approach that addresses both the psychological and neurological aspects of the disorder. While there is no one-size-fits-all treatment for DPD, a combination of psychotherapy, medication, and lifestyle changes has proven beneficial for many individuals. The goal of treatment is to alleviate symptoms, improve coping mechanisms, and enhance overall quality of life. Psychotherapy, particularly cognitive behavioral therapy, has emerged as a promising treatment option for DPD. CBT helps individuals identify and modify negative thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to their symptoms. By challenging distorted thoughts and developing healthier coping strategies, individuals can gradually reduce feelings of detachment and regain a sense of control over their experiences. In some cases, medication may be used as an adjunct to therapy to address co-occurring conditions such as anxiety or depression. However, it's important to note that there are currently no medications specifically approved for the treatment of DPD. Lifestyle changes, such as regular exercise, stress management techniques, and adequate sleep, can also play a crucial role in managing symptoms and improving overall well-being. As our understanding of DPD continues to evolve, so too will the treatment options available. Emerging technologies, such as transcranial magnetic stimulation, offer non-invasive ways to modulate brain activity and potentially alleviate symptoms. TMS delivers magnetic pulses to specific brain regions, influencing neural activity and potentially restoring balance in brain circuits implicated in DPD. Further research is needed to determine the long-term efficacy and safety of these promising treatments.